Hello everyone and welcome to another video.
Today we're going to share with you our 5 tips on how to make friends and be more social.
Exactly, yeah. So first off, what is the first tip? Before we begin, watch our previous video to find out if you have made a friend, how to know if they're a real friend and how to know if they're a quality person to spend time with. So the first tip is, just put yourself out there, man. If you go out by yourself, it's nothing to be ashamed of. Just go and meet people. What I mean, just go to a park, go to some event, go to, I don't know, maybe the subway, even wherever you might find a person that you might like, well, at least on the looks of them. You're gonna know if you like them when you meet them actually. So you go meet them. How do you do that? Maybe, I don't know, look at their headphones or their shoes or whatever they might have that grabs your attention. You're like, oh, I should compliment that. Like the person, I like that about the person. This person maybe will like the compliment and maybe they will start a conversation with you and you might have a good time. You might add each other on Insta, get your, I don't know, numbers or whatever. Or if they do not like you, they just won't talk to you, and then just let it go, man. It doesn't matter, just go meet another person. Not everyone is in the mood for talking. So the second tip is be a part of something, man. What does that mean? Well, I would assume that you go to either school or college, which is perfectly normal. And well, there's a lot of events and places and classes you can attend to with people there. Maybe let's say some arm wrestling competition or maybe some English exam race or whatever. You might want to do some club. You can join a club. Just join activities, events, participate in places where people are. It's better to be around people that are in your school because you're more comfortable with them because they're not complete strangers. You've at least maybe talked once or twice or seen them before. So
that's how we met.
That's how we met. Yeah.
I've seen him at school. I was like, yo, this guy is fucking jacked. I should I should go and ask him how he got jacked and stuff like that. And actually, he did more pull-ups than me, and I was motivated by him because I couldn't do even one. He was my inspiration, guys.
You know, we're doing calisthenics. We're trying to do some crazy shit on that. Gonna make some videos on that in the future, but
exactly.
Not for now, not. So yeah, that's pretty much what you should do. Be a part of something. You're gonna automatically meet people, and you're automatically gonna make at least a few friends, because there's a lot of people there. I mean, most schools have around 1,000 people, so hey, at least one of them should be your friend. Okay, you can go, bro. What do you want to say?
I just wanted to add up how I met my other friends. I met them by concert and conventions and so on.
Yeah, good point. Go to a concert or some conventions, some out-of-school events. You don't need to be locked up in school. You can go to other places, as I said, and as he said, most importantly. So yeah, do that too. Now, the third point or tip of our video is
how to become a good friend. Like I said, it should be a mutual thing. You gotta ask those questions for your friend. Will they do the same thing for you? Will they have the same intention as you? If the answer is yes, go out there, create some memories, create some daddler, have fun.
Yeah.
If no,
they're a fake
you
friend.
already know.
They're a fake friend, man.
Exactly.
Leave them.
Exactly.
And know what a fake friend is. Watch our previous video. I'm gonna be right here.
So our next tip is
just be yourself. Just be yourself. You don't want to treat people like robots. You don't want to be someone who you are not. When you meet a person, well, let's say for example you've already met them, you've already talked a little bit. Now how to keep them your friend is another thing, but I'm gonna say now. Don't treat him like a robot. Don't think, oh, he doesn't have any feelings and shit and I'm not gonna talk to him about deep stuff and stuff. No, if you trust the person, if you know that they're worthy of knowing more important stuff about you, then just share them. It's not a problem. Just treat them with emotions, with respect, and with dedication to your conversation and relationship, no matter what it is, no matter who they are. If you respect them, then you must do all of that to keep them your friend. That's pretty much it. Just be yourself. That's the most cliche thing ever that you've heard in every movie in Hollywood, or actually any movie. Not just Hollywood movies.
He's goddamn right.
Yeah. So just be yourself. That's it, man.
Yeah. Okay, our last tip is be interested in the conversation. What I mean by that is become a good listener. If you don't know how to become a good listener, I'll show you in our next video. By listening closely, you should know what questions to ask. If you ask the questions properly, the conversation will never end.
Humans are social creatures. Everyone wants to be understood and talked to, or they will feel lonely. That's just how humans are. So if you know, I mean, not everybody, but most people do. And if they don't want to talk, the person that you're trying to meet or not meet, well, be friends with, just let them go. As I said already, or as we said, just let them go. There's way more people than just one. So
Exactly.
talk to people, be social, and try to understand them. Try to ask the right questions, as bro said,
Become a good listener.
and be mindful of them.
If they don't want to talk with you, that's not end of the world. That only means they're not a good match for you. You should never give up.
Yeah.
Especially meeting new friends, new people, especially with strangers. That shouldn't mean you shouldn't try again, especially meeting new people and especially friends.
You should be persistent, exactly.
Exactly.
So, guys, that's gonna be about it for our
Yeah.
video. Baba, bro. Exactly, yeah, perfect. So, thank you so much for watching. You can check out our previous video right here or in the description. We're gonna leave a link. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video with your friends if you want to spread the positivity and the word of self-improvement.
Yeah, exactly.
And support us, of course.
And lastly, guys, just remember, live better, feel better, and live more.
Comment on the video. See you guys.
Bye bye.